Okay guys, so this is the virtual background I am using right now in my mobile phone. Okay, so open the lesson number 5. So this is the method. So hello guys, if you want to use virtual background feature in Zoom application from your mobile phone, but there is not any option of virtual background because in many smartphone this feature is not supported or not available in many smartphone. So in this video I'm gonna show you how can you use this virtual background feature in all smartphone 2022, and then you can easily change your any background in Zoom meeting. So please watch this video full, and before we get started, please like, share and subscribe the channel. So without wasting any time, let's move to the video. Okay guys, so if you want to use virtual background in Zoom app, first you have to go to your web browser. Any web browser you can go, and here you have to search Zoom. Okay, Zoom official website. Just search here Zoom, and you can see here the first website guys. This is the official website of Zoom, zoom.us. So just open this website, and the link is in the description. And you can see here the interface, and you can see here guys in the side here is 3 lines icon. So just you have to click on this, and now you have to scroll, and you can see here sign in button. So just you have to click on this sign in option, and then again in another interface, and you can see here you have to type your email and password. If you don't remember your email and password, you can see here in the down side here are 4 options. So if you don't remember your email and password, you can log in with your Facebook ID also. So now I click on Facebook, and now you can see here this is my ID. So now just you have to click on this confirm button. Okay, and now guys you have to click on desktop mode. Okay, you know that desktop mode, so just enable the desktop side or desktop mode, and again the whole interface will be changed. Now in the top side you can see here schedule, join and host option. So now if you want to conduct a meeting, you can click on host, and if you want to join a meeting, you can click on join. So now I click on host a meeting, and you can see here 3 options: with video on, with video off, screen share only. So now I click on this with video on. Same process you have to do guys, and this is the last method. And you can see here guys last step, here is one option, join from your browser. So now you have to click on this join from your browser, and now your meeting is starting, joining meeting. Okay, so wait, I fully load it. And now guys I enable my audio, and now my video is off, so I start my video also. Now video on. Okay, and you can see here guys my virtual background is off. So now how to on it, just you can see here in the below here are so many options. So now you have to click on this more option, and you can see here guys settings option. So just click on this settings, and you can see here again here is one interface. So now you can see here is one option, background. So just click on this background, and you can see here guys here are so many backgrounds. You can select any background, and the most important method guys, here is 2 options. So now guys you have to enable this both option, mirror my video also and virtual background. Okay, so virtual background and mirror my video, and now you have to select the background. So I select this background, and now I turn on my room lights. Okay, now you'll see the live proof. Okay guys, you can see here. Okay now okay now I have turned off my room lights, and I have shown you the live proof guys. So now I cut this video, and now I turn off my video. I have just show you how can you do this. Now I go to my mobile home screen. Okay, so this is the method guys to join a meeting, and you can change your background. You can use virtual background feature from this method. Okay, so if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel, and part 1 of this video link is in the description. So please watch it, and bye bye guys.